I am Frederick Ross. They call me Art of Decay. I'm a painter. This is my fun scale Vecna from Stranger Things. And it won a bronze medal from the first PSMS in 2024. Kasi nakalakihan ko na yung especially Spawn. So naging genre ko na yung mga dark and monsters, creepy, shit. I just love making monsters, and I think you just have to deep dive on it. Just have to mag-aral na skin tone eh. Hanggang sa napaglalaruan mo na lang siya, pwede mo siyang patayin, pwede mo siyang buhayin, so depends on you. Guys, I encourage you to join us at the Philippine Scale Model 2025 at the Ayala Mall Day, happening in July 31 to August 10.